Severe weather is threatening millions across the U.S. this week, with damaging thunderstorms forecast from Georgia to Massachusetts. Cities like New York, Philadelphia, and Boston face wind and flood risks as a powerful cold front collides with hot, humid air. In the southern plains and desert southwest, slow-moving storms could trigger flash flooding, especially in drought-hit areas like Austin and El Paso. With level 1 and 2 risks in place, officials are urging residents to stay weather-aware and prepared. Download our app for important weather updates.